Hey guys, welcome to our quarantine hotel in Cebu. We've just traveled from Thailand to Cebu in the Philippines after 4.5 months of just waiting to be allowed into the Philippines. As a foreign national, it's really hard to get into the Philippines. So luckily I was traveling with my beautiful wife and they let me in, gave me a 1-year visa so I can stay here. So that is really great. I'm gonna give you guys a quarantine hotel tour. We're staying in Cebu at St. Mark's Hotel in the penthouse suite, which has 2 floors and 2 balconies, which is really crazy for a hotel. I don't think I've ever stayed in a hotel where I have 2 floors, stairs, 2 bathrooms, and 2 balconies. That's just really weird for a hotel. The cost was right around $1,000 for a 10-day stay. I think $1,200 for around a 10-day quarantine stay, which compared to US prices, you know, extremely cheap, and it's quarantine hotel stay. So it's higher prices than a typical hotel stay. But let's give you guys a tour around this place, and we're going to show you how awesome this quarantine hotel is, and it's really not that bad being stuck here for 8 to 10 days. So let's take a look. I'm just gonna start at the very front where the entrance is and show you guys everything in our quarantine hotel. That's skim boards, of course. Had to bring the skim boards because they were way overpriced, the skim boards we got. Entry door here, and you have the kitchen on the left right as you come in, then a wife, and the couch. So couch area, little table over here, first balcony. I'll walk out there in a sec. And this is the main dining table, which had 6 chairs with it. I've actually rotated it against the wall here because I wanted my workstation to be against the wall here, and not have all the cords from my workstation all over the place. So we've moved that table, and taking a look here at the kitchen, we have some fruits, microwave, lots of storage, just some basic utensils, stovetop, exhaust vent for the stovetop, and of course a sink. Now here is the first bathroom, and this has a shower and also the toilet area. There's actually 2 showers in this little hotel, but really basic. It's not a really fancy place, but very spacious for a hotel room. So let's take a look upstairs now. Right this way. So very weird to have this sort of stairs in a hotel room. I have not seen this before. Maybe it's just me, but I thought it was very impressive, and I'm extremely happy that we have this place. Here's another little sink area, and then the second bathroom and shower. So pretty cool that we got 2, 1 on each floor. And I guess we were just really lucky to find this hotel. So this is the upstairs bedroom area with 2 couches, a workstation. This is where my wife has been working with her 2 computers. And I don't think we've used these couches whatsoever, but decently comfy, but it's not very comfy, not too soft, but it will do. We got air conditioning, 2 air conditioning units in this one room up here, and a little TV, plus the second balcony. So let's take a look outside here. Let's see. Oh, one thing about these blinds, I'm like, I cannot sleep when there's light coming in the morning. Like, I'll wake up super early as soon as the sun rises, but these blinds completely block all the light. So I have slept really well, and really appreciate that they have blinds that actually, or curtains, whatever you want to call them, that actually block all the light. So here's our view. We got this little table here, and then not a bad view at all. So you get some buildings, lots of treetops here straight below, and then some mountains in the distance, but not bad at all for a quarantine hotel here. Much better than my last one that I was at in Bangkok, where it was you know, it was just a tiny room. You know, I didn't even have a balcony. So really, really nice to have a large balcony. It actually goes all the way over here as well. So you got this area here, goes all the way over here. We'll walk over here. But yeah, again, you know, same view, just interesting balcony area. So we're both really impressed with this place. It's a really nice place to stay for our quarantine, being stuck in a room for 8 days, not allowed out whatsoever. As far as the food goes, actually not bad, because we did not order the preset meals. We actually just choose whatever we want and order it from the restaurant here whenever we're hungry. And they also will go to 7-Eleven for us and pick up any stuff that we want from 7-Eleven. So, you know, we've been getting fruit from 7-Eleven. They'll bring us ice cream or whatever things that we want to order. They have a typical menu with proper food. So, you know, it hasn't been bad at all. Like a lot of the other posts I've seen online with quarantine hotel meals have been awful. Like it looks horrible. And I think those are the preset meals that kind of come included with the price of the stay. But we didn't do that one. We are just ordering off of a menu from their restaurant at the hotel. So it's actually solid food. It's good restaurant quality food. And of course, as I said, we can go to or have them run to 7-Eleven for us. They even went to the money exchange for us and changed out some of our Singaporean dollars for Philippine pesos. So that was awesome. They're being very hospitable for us. But I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna look at more charts here and get some more trading in. But hope you guys have a nice day, and thank you for watching. Say bye-bye, babe.
Bye-bye.
Oh, she's so camera shy. All right, guys, have a nice day. Bye-bye.